What is up, everybody? It's your girl, Victoria Lynn Myers. Holla at ya, girl. We are back with another cooking video. I have been doing a high protein pasta series for like 3 months now in collaboration with my friends at La Viva Foods. They offer high protein noodles and rice, all the above. If you're looking for something with high fiber, high protein, 40% less calories than your normal pasta, 70% more fiber than normal pasta. If you aren't familiar with the game of fiber, we need fiber to keep our stomachs flat. This is summer. We gotta have a flat stomach. There is nothing more of a buzzkill than going out feeling bloated. Fiber will help with that. You should definitely check them out. Victoria20, I believe is the code. I'll double check, put it on the screen. Today we are making a high protein chickpea pasta cooked to perfection. I need like 10 minutes of privacy. So delicious. Mediterranean style, because that is slept on. Before we get into today's video, if you could, as always, you know the spiel, you know the drill. Subscribe, please, because like so many of you aren't actually subscribed, even though you love watching me. Hello. Comment down below. I did a live stream the other day for members, and it was so fun. I kind of wanted to start doing like maybe one live stream a month for members and one live stream a month for just normal channel subscribers. So let me know if you want to see that and what day of the week works best for you. If you haven't already, like this video. We're about the growth mindset, okay, over here, baby. Let's get to today's cooking video, which is a high protein chickpea pasta. Okay, I'm gonna lie, I kind of cheated a bit. What I mean by I cheated is I literally packed an entire box of stuff and brought it over because I'm kind of in between spaces right now. Victoria! Okay, items you'll need. I packed 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt in a bag. Use at your own discretion. Some cheddar cheese. I have a balsamic glaze. I have this pine nut hummus from Costco. I used rotisserie chicken from Costco. Rotisserie chicken without the skin, such a hack for those busy days. I just can't be bothered. Chicken is like the grossest meat to cook. So if I can bypass that, you bet my butt I will. Victoria pasta sauce. I mean, come on, it's in the name. La Viva chickpea shiitake penne pasta. Got garlic, paprika. I mean, come on, salt and pepper. And then I pre-diced up a bunch of bell peppers, some sweet corn, and some spinach. Let's get to cooking. Step number 1, we are gonna put some water on to boil for our pasta. I'm also trying to decide whether I cook this hot or cold. I'm gonna do both. We'll see which one I like better. So the cold pasta is pretty much already done outside of cooking the pasta. But the warm, if we wanted to do it warm, I'm gonna get a saute pan and saute my bell pepper, corn, garlic. Let me heat this up. I think my pan is hot enough. Okay, so I'm gonna let this saute. And I think while this is cooking, I'm going to start the layering for the cold pasta. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but both the water and the vegetables are sizzling, so we are going to add in our pasta. Now I'm going to throw my chicken, add in my sauce, and let this sauce break down. 1 tablespoon of hummus. I'm really grabbing those pine nuts. Oh, grabbing. I'm gonna show you 1 second. Also going to add in some Greek yogurt. In the cold pasta, I'm going to put tomato sauce, Greek yogurt, topped with cheese, and balsamic. The grossest way I think I've ever used Greek yogurt. Putting a little more veggies. Little salt. Cheese. Wow, this is looking great. And I will be refrigerating these while I finish my hot pasta. Okay, I'm going to add in some Greek yogurt and some pepper. Like Look at that. It looks amazing. Smelling so good over here. I'm so excited to try this out once it's done. The chicken mixture, I think the sauce is pretty much done. All we need to do is wait on the pasta to finish, which it's probably done as well. I like my pasta al dente. Oh yeah, these are done. Well, it is time to officially plate this. Cheese. Oh my goodness. Add pepper. With over 30 grams of protein per serving, I think I'm going to try the cold one first. Hopefully it's had long enough to chill enough, but I could have put it in the freezer. The hot pasta last. This one, I will say, presentation-wise, looks amazing. So good for your lunch break, a meal prep on a hot summer day. So, and this is what I'm feeling right now because I am so warm. So I'm going to give this a taste. Stir it up so you can get a good, ooh, that looks amazing. I hope you can see that. Wow, delectable. Oh yeah, ASMR. Pasta and lobster, macaroni in the, okay. Insert Ben Shapiro. I'm gonna eat this first. It smells amazing. Oh yeah. It's so creamy. Perfect flavors for the summer. The coolness of everything. Oh yeah. The texture of the noodles is perfect. Wow. I think this is my dinner, but we'll see. Okay. Okay, this is the next one. Oh my goodness. It's so warm, but it smells so good. Balsamic, some bell peppers, some chicken, a noodle going in. This would be a good family style one pot dinner. Wow, the noodle texture is amazing. I love the chew of it. I like can't put this down. Wow. Here we go. Open up, open wide. Going in. Oh my God, this is so good. All right, everybody, that is it for today's cooking video. If you try this, please let me know below. Never underestimate the power of a good protein pasta as well as a hummus mixture. Oh my goodness, so good. One of my favorites. If you check out La Viva, use my discount code. It will save you some money. And again, let me know your schedule for a live stream. I will see you in my next video. Bye. What is up, everybody? Welcome to my crib.